Alrighty, good afternoon, everybody. We do have a new tornado warning that's just been issued for the DeWitt area. So let's go ahead and go over this tornado warning. This is a tornado warning for southwestern Monroe County and eastern Arkansas and central Arkansas County and southeastern Arkansas until 5 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles southwest of DeWitt or 18 miles south of Stuttgart, moving east at 60 miles an hour. So this is moving very fast to the east. Locations impacted include St. Charles, DeWitt, Crossroads in Monroe County, and excuse me, my allergies are still kicking my butt, and Indiana Bay, and any areas around these areas as well. So once again, there is a tornado warning. So go ahead and take cover now if you're in any of these areas. Let's get a track on this. So DeWitt, this is going to be in your area within the next few minutes. So go ahead and take your tornado precautions. Also, Elaine, or go ahead and take your tornado precautions as well. And if you're in Lakeview and go ahead and take your tornado precautions as well as if you're in Ferris Point, get ready to take your tornado precautions as well. So this is quickly moving off to the northeast as 60 miles an hour. So let's get some county or some roads off here. Give me one moment here. So if you're on U.S. Highway 165, State Highway 152, State Highway 1, State Highway 153, and State Highway 17, as well as I think that was CC Camp Road. Go ahead and take your tornado precautions now. This is moving very quickly off to the east at 60 miles per hour here. Once again, this is a tornado warning that is in effect until 5 p.m. as it is moving off to the east at 60 miles per hour. So at 4:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was capable of producing a tornado, was located 7 miles southwest of DeWitt or 18 miles south of Stuttgart, moving east at 60 miles per hour. So this is continued to move off to the east at 60 miles per hour. So DeWitt, you need to already be in your tornado safe spots as well. St. Charles, go ahead and take your tornado precautions as well as Lakeview. Get ready to take your tornado precautions as well. And give me one moment here. Excuse me. But this is continuing off to the east at 60 miles per hour. This will move very quickly off to the east at 60 miles per hour. So go ahead and take your tornado precautions if you're in this area. And once again, this is the only tornado warning storm in the state. We do have some severe thunderstorm warning storms across the southeastern part of the state, but this tornado warning does take priority here as this is continuing off to the east at 60 miles per hour here. So we're going to take a look back at velocity here in the CC scan. So this is continuing off to the east at 60 miles per hour. So if you know anybody in DeWitt or anybody in these areas that I'm about to mention here, St. Charles, Indiana Bay, Crossroads in Monroe County, DeWitt, Lodge Corner, go ahead and take your tornado precautions as well. This is moving very fast off to the east at 60 miles per hour. Also, if you know anybody in Lakeview or Elaine, go ahead and take your tornado precautions as well. And if you know anybody on State Highway 44, State Highway 20, State Highway 318, State Highway 1, CC Camp Road, State Highway 17, State Highway 1, State Highway 153, and State Highway 17 as well. Go ahead and take your tornado precautions as well. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors or in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris, as this is quickly moving off to the east at 60 miles per hour. So continue to take your tornado precautions if you're in any of these areas. Once again, we do have a few severe thunderstorm warned storms, as this is quickly moving off to the south or to the east at 60 miles per hour here. But this is continuing to move off to the east here. So this is, to repeat, a tornado warning for the Dwight area. For southeastern Monroe County and eastern Arkansas, central Arkansas County, and southeastern Arkansas until 5 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was capable of producing a tornado. Was located 7 miles southwest of DeWitt, or 18 miles southwest of Stuttgart, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Give me one moment here. St. Charles, you're going to want to take your tornado precautions already if you haven't. Lakeview as well. Give me one moment here. In any of the areas around these areas as well. If you know anybody in these areas, tell them to go ahead and take their tornado safe spots as well. And they did put a severe thunderstorm warning on it as well. So go ahead and take your tornado precautions as well. We're keeping this is continuing to move off to the east at 60 miles per hour. And give me one moment here. Alrighty, sorry about that. So continue to take your tornado precautions if you're in any of these locations. The Lakeview and be in your area around 5 p.m. Same thing for Elaine. St. Charles, this will be in your area here pretty soon. So go ahead and take your tornado precautions as well, as this is quickly moving off to the east at 60 miles per hour here. And give me one moment. Let me. So this is continuing off to the east at 60 miles per hour here. And this is for, give me one moment here. This is for southeastern Monroe County and central Arkansas County until 5 p.m. This is moving off to the east at 60 miles per hour. So if you're in any of these areas, go ahead and take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're outdoors or in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest sustainable shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. So give me 1 point here. Give me 1 minute here. So this is continuing off to the east at 60 miles per hour. So go ahead and take your tornado precautions if you know anybody in this area. Tell them to take their tornado precautions as well. Give me one moment. So this is for State Highway. If you know anybody in these areas, this is for State Highway 17, State Highway 1, and if you know anybody on State Highway 44, State Highway 318, State Highway 318, and State Highway 44 as well. Go ahead and tell them to take their tornado precautions now, as this is continuing off to the north to the east at 60 miles per hour. And we do also have some more flash flood warnings ongoing as well across the state as well. So remember to turn around and do not drown as well with this. But we still have this tornado warning in effect until 5 p.m. here. Give me one moment here. So this is continuing to move off to the east at 60 miles an hour here. So if you know anybody in these locations, Lakeville, this will be in your area around 5 p.m. Same thing for Elena. And West Helena, this should stay just to the south of you, but continue to keep a close eye on this as well, as this is quickly moving off to the northeast at 60 miles per hour, and we do have that severe thunderstorm warning that is tornado possible as well. That is also producing 70 mile per hour wind gusts that is moving into these areas as well. So go ahead and take your tornado precautions if you're in any of these areas. St. Charles, you should continue to be in your tornado safe spot. Lakeview, Elena, continue to take your tornado precautions as well. Give me one moment here. If you're on State Highway 85, State Highway 44, State Highway 318, State Highway 44, State Highway 20, and give me one moment here. State Highway 318 as well. Go ahead and take your tornado precautions if you haven't already. And taking a look at velocity once again here, as this is moving off to the east at 60 miles per hour. So to repeat here, once again, this is a tornado warning for southeastern Monroe County and eastern Arkansas, central Arkansas County, and southeastern Arkansas until 5 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was capable of producing a tornado, was located near 7 miles southwest of DeWitt and 18 miles south of Stuttgart, moving east at 60 miles per hour. And this is moving very quickly off to the east at 60 miles per hour. This whole severe thunderstorm warning is producing, or has the possibility of producing 70 mile per hour wind gusts with that as well. So this is continuing to move off to the northeast very quickly. And also, if you're in Fairs Point, go ahead and take your tornado precautions as well. This will be in your area around 5:13 p.m. Lakeview and Elena, take your tornado precautions as well. Continue to take those tornado precautions. This is quickly moving off to the east. So just give me one moment here. So this is continuing to move off to the east at 60 miles per hour here. Let's go ahead and take a look at it on velocity here. Yeah. Okay, so this is continuing off to the east at 60 miles an hour. And to repeat, this is a tornado warning in effect until 5 p.m. for southeastern Monroe County, in eastern Arkansas, central Arkansas County, and southeastern Arkansas. At 4:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was capable of producing a tornado. Was located 7 miles southwest of DeWitt or 18 miles south of Stuttgart, moving east at 60 miles per hour. If you're in any of these locations, go ahead and take your tornado precautions. If you're in Lakeview or Elena, go ahead and take your tornado precautions. West Helena, I would keep a very close eye on this storm as well. And to repeat, this is a tornado warning in in eastern Arkansas and southeastern Arkansas as we speak. So let's get some highways in the path of this. State Highway 318, go ahead and take your tornado precautions if you haven't already. State Highway 44, State Highway 318, U.S. Highway 49, and State Highway 20 as well. Go ahead and take your tornado precautions if you haven't already, or if you know anybody in these areas, tell them to go ahead and take their tornado precautions, as it's quickly moving off to the east at 60 miles per hour here. And give me one moment here, as this is continuing off to the east at 60 miles per hour. So it's moving very fast off to the northeast here. And give me one moment here. Give me one moment here. Welcome back, everybody. Okay. Sorry about that. To repeat, we do have a tornado warning in effect until 5 p.m. for southeastern Monroe counties and central Arkansas County and southeastern Arkansas, as this is continuing off to the east at 60 miles per hour here. We'll stay with this until they cancel the warning. So give me one moment here. Alrighty, so this tornado warning is continuing until 5 p.m. for southeastern Monroe County and central Arkansas County as well, until 5 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was capable of producing a tornado. Was located 7 miles southwest of DeWitt or 18 miles south of Stuttgart, moving east at 60 miles per hour. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at velocity here. And we're going to go ahead and go back to this. And so give me one more moment here real quick. I got to go blow my nose real quick. I am stopped up. Okay, so sorry about that once again. Allergies, you gotta love it. But this is a severe tornado warning still in effect until 5 p.m. here. So give me one moment here. Let's see if this is... okay, so tornado warning is still in effect here until 5 p.m. for southeastern Monroe County and eastern Arkansas, central Arkansas County, and southeastern Arkansas until 5 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was capable of producing a tornado warning. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles southwest of DeWitt or 18 miles south of Stuttgart, moving east at 60 miles per hour. As this is quickly moving off to the east at 60 miles per hour here. Give me one moment here. We do have some severe thunderstorm warnings across the state as we speak here, as this line's quickly moving to the east here. But we'll continue to stay with this tornado warning until it is allowed to expire. So this is quickly moving off to the east at 60 miles per hour. Okay, so the tornado warning does go in effect until 5 p.m. for southeastern Monroe counties in eastern Arkansas and central Arkansas County. This tornado warning is currently in eastern Arkansas, getting closer to the Mississippi, Arkansas and Mississippi state line here, as it's quickly moving off to the east at 60 miles per hour. Ferris Point, you need to be in your tornado safe spot. Same thing for Lakeview and Earl or Elena. Go ahead and take your tornado safe spot, you need to be in your tornado safe spots as well. Let's get some more highways in the path of this. State Highway 85, State Highway 318, U.S. Highway 49, State Highway 20, State Highway 44, and State Highway 20 once again. You need to be in your tornado safe spots as we speak. Give me one moment here. As this is continuing to move off to the east at 60 miles per hour here. We'll see see if they extend this warning or allow it to expire. We still got 10 minutes left on it, but this is continuing to move off to the northeast or to the east at 50 miles per hour here, or 60 miles per hour here, excuse me. But once again, that's the only tornado warning in the state right now. We do have a few severe thunderstorm warnings, and some flash flood warnings as well. That's becoming a big issue. So go ahead and turn around and do not drown if you're in any of these areas or you come across a flooded roadway. So we're going to go back to this storm over here. Take a look at velocity here as this is continuing off to the east at 60 miles per hour here. Lakeview, Lena, need to be in your tornado safe spot if you haven't already. Give me one moment here. You're going to want to take cover and move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows if you're outdoors or in a mobile home or in a vehicle. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. So this is moving off to the east at 60 miles an hour to repeat, as it is quickly moving off to the east at 60 miles per hour here. And there is a severe thunderstorm warning that with a tornado possible tag on it as well, as we do have some more severe thunderstorm warnings across the state as well, across southeastern parts of the state and eastern parts of the state as we speak. As this is so we'll go back to this tornado warning since it is still here. It is until 5 p.m. is when the tornado warning is allowed to expire here, as this is quickly moving off to the east at 60 miles per hour here. Lakeview, Elena, Ferris Point, I'll be going ahead and take my tornado safe spots as well, just to play it safe. If you know anybody in these areas, go ahead and take their tornado safe spot or tell them to go to their tornado safe spot as well. As this is quickly moving off to the east at 60 miles an hour here. So we'll continue to keep a close eye on this. Give me one moment here. Lakeview and Elena, it should be over you here within the next few minutes. Should be over your area around 5 p.m. Ferris Point, 5:13 p.m. So continue to keep a close eye on this. We'll continue to keep a close eye on this as well, as it's quickly moving off to the east at 60 miles per hour. And give me one moment here. So this is continue to move off to the east at 60 miles an hour. To repeat, this tornado warning is for southeastern Monroe County and eastern Arkansas and central Arkansas County and southeastern Arkansas as well. DeWitt, this is since passed you. Give me one moment here. Yeah, this has since passed you. You just got some probably some heavy rain, some lightning occurring right now with that storm, and probably some strong winds, as this is quickly moving off to the east at 60 miles per hour, and 70 mile per hour wind gusts are happening with this, or could be possible with this storm as well. This is continuing off to the east at 60 miles per hour once again. And this does go into effect until 5 p.m. here as well. So give me one moment here. This is moving off to the east at 60 miles per hour here, and across the rest of the state as well. Just a few severe thunderstorm warnings and and a lot of flash flood warnings here as well. So you're going to want to go ahead and take. You're going to want to go ahead and turn around and do not drown on these if you come across a flooded roadway. This tornado warning here is continuing off to the east at 60 miles per hour here. So if you're in Lakeview or Elena or Ferris Point, go ahead and take your tornado precautions as well. Let's name off some highways in the path of this as well. State Highway 20. Give me one moment here. Just give me one quick moment. This is quickly moving off towards Mississippi. But if you know anybody on State Highway 44, State Highway 318, State Highway 20, this is quickly moving off to the north, to the east at 60 miles per hour. And I do not think they're going to allow that, or they're going to extend that tornado warning because it has outran the tornado warning. We'll stay with it until the tornado warning does expire. As this is quickly moving off to the east at 60 miles per hour. And so there is a severe thunderstorm warning with the tornado possible tag on this storm moving. It's actually gaining in speed, moving around 65 miles per hour with a tornado possible tag on it. And 70 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail could all be possible with this storm as well. So we'll continue to keep a close eye on that as well. As this is quickly moving off to the east at 60 miles per hour or 65 miles per hour here. So give me one moment here as that warning does go for another 5 minutes. So just give me 1 second. So we do have some more severe thunderstorm warnings possible, or severe thunderstorm warnings across the state, mainly across southeast portions of the state as we speak. As this is quickly moving off to the east at 60 miles per hour down here on with a few of these storms down here in Dumas and Monticello. But we'll go back up here to this tornado warning storm as well. But other than that, there's a few other severe thunderstorms here, and you do have some flash flood warnings in effect here across parts of the state. So if you come across any flooded roadways, turn around and do not drown. So we just have 3 more minutes here left on that tornado warning. This is getting ready to quickly move into Mississippi. Once again, there is a tornado possible on that severe thunderstorm warning, but it is moving at 65 miles per hour to the east, 70 mile per hour wind gusts as well. So once this tornado warning is allowed to expire, we'll go ahead and break away from coverage, and we'll continue to do the radar updates as they come. So give me one moment here. So this is still continuing to push off to the east at 60 miles per hour. Let's go over an overview of the state right now. We do have a few severe thunderstorm warning storms down here in far south eastern parts of the state. Excuse me. Or special weather statement storms. Some strong storms moving through across it in areas down here in southeast Arkansas. And we do still have some severe thunderstorm warnings down here for Dumas and Monticello and places to the east of that as well. And then we do still have some heavy rain and some more storms falling across the eastern part of the state as we speak. So once again, this is continuing off to the east at 60 miles per hour. I think this tornado warning is going to be allowed to expire here as this is quickly moving off to the east here. Because it does look like they put a new severe thunderstorm warning on that, and it is getting close to entering Mississippi as we speak here. So we'll just allow this tornado warning to expire, and then we'll go ahead and go away from coverage here, and we'll continue to keep a close eye on all these storms and have radar updates with these as well. But you see, they've slowly been trimming back the tornado watch, and basically as they do that, as this line comes through, you should start to, that should be the last of it, but still stay weather aware. We'll probably have something out later, or we'll still continue to do radar updates until these storms have exited the state. So they have allowed that tornado warning to expire, so we're going to go ahead and break away from coverage here. Or, well, no, they haven't yet. Excuse me. So we got one more minute of it, and then we'll go ahead and break away from coverage. And give me one moment here. So there they go. They've allowed the tornado warning to expire. It has turned into a severe thunderstorm warning with the tornado possible tag on it. But that is, these storms are getting ready to enter into Mississippi and far eastern parts and southeastern parts of Arkansas as well. So we're going to go ahead and break away from coverage. Thank you guys so much, and have a good rest of the day. And you can see where the tornado watch has been removed from in some of these counties. So we'll continue to keep you updated with radar updates, and have a good rest of the day.